Hello everyone, this is Mr. Madhukar Togam. Today we are looking to take the overview of DDC or history of DDC. DDC means Dewey Decimal Classification. So historical part of the DDC we are going to see. I am Mr. Madhukar Togam, librarian at ILS Law College, Pune. So the story about the Dewey Decimal System of the classification. This is the image of Dewey Decimal. He was the inventor of Dewey Decimal Classification, which is the very important for library and information science professionals to organize the materials, to organize the books in the library. So Dewey Decimal Classification, as the name of the scheme tells, it is a classification scheme designed by and after its designer, Melville Louis Kossuth Dewey. This particular name was the Dewey Decimal founder. He is the father of modern librarianship. So let us move into brief biography of the Melville Dewey. Melville Dewey is called the Dewey Decimal Classification System, or DDC for a short. This system got its name from the Melville Dewey, the man who had this great idea for organizing library collections. He lived from 1851 to 1931 and introduced the DDC in 1876. Melville Dewey was born in 1851 at New York, USA, and his father by profession was running as a general store and also was a shoemaker. Learning this art from his father, Dewey also became expert in shoemaking in childhood days only. For this, he was an expertise he used to get $10 for a pair of shoes. Then Dewey was interested in reading books and playing chess. Under his interest of reading, he had his own savings. And to buy his first book on which his heart was set, he walked 11 miles. He walked 11 miles to buy a Webster Abridged Dictionaries.